tomorrow I'm just gonna dye my hair red because why not? Probably gonna get expelled tomorrow, but you know, might as well give it a go. I've never dyed my hair like a crazy colour, but I thought, why not? Today's the day. Carpe diem, seize the day. Let's dye our hair red for the views. And probably no one's gonna watch this, but I'm making it because Kate inspired me. So shout out to you, Kate. You gave me this, so if it turns out rubbish, I'm blaming it on you. And you're the enabler, so sorry about it. Tomorrow I'm gonna just walk into school with brand new hair. Hopefully I don't get called up on it. I mean, I probably will because the school I go to is so like, kinda, can I say that? So, hi, welcome to my bathroom. Okay, so this is what I'm using. Schwarzkopf Live in the colour Real Red 35. Now this looks like super bright, so should I not leave it in for long? I don't know, because I kind of don't want to get expelled and I kind of want to pass the IB since it's caused like this much depression, so I might as well like pass it, you know what I mean? So first, I guess I'll read the instructions. Cool. Okay, so I'm gonna read the instructions so my hair doesn't fall off. So, hang on. Okay. Unscrew the nozzle of the developer lotion. Guess I'm just gonna squeeze this whole thing into here. Don't know. Ooh, it's a pretty colour. Okay, I guess I'll part my hair down the middle. Hang on. Oh, it's pretty central actually. That will do whatever. It's just my hair, it's fine. Hello. Oh. Wow, beautiful. What do I do? Just mix it in. Ah! Already got it on my face, so you know. And if I keep making weird faces, it's because I'm looking in the mirror. Ooh. So I might as well chat. Hey, how are you? By the way, this is gonna be patchy as hell because I've never colored my hair before, so. I mean, I've done henna, like henna dyeing, which you pretty much just mix it up and like slap it on your head. And it doesn't really matter because it like, my hair's brown anyway. I guess I don't care about the scalp that much because when it grows out, I kind of don't want to do this again. You know what I mean? Because I'm lazy. And I feel like I'm using a lot. Oh my god, my head. That's not coming out. I should have put Vaseline on my head. Whatever. Too late now. I guess I'm just gonna like squirt it on. Like, why not? Am I okay? Wow, I'm such a wreck. ASMR, look. Oh, wow. Swatch. If this turns out well, I'm becoming a hairdresser, just saying. Oh my god, this is gonna trigger my like asthma or something. Thumbnail. Shit. Oh, I got it on the floor and on my leg. Oh. That should do. Have a look at the back. So. Oh wow.
Oh wow.
Wow. I look like an egg. It says wait 20 to 30 minutes. I took ages. I took longer than the average person. So I'm probably just gonna wait 15 or like 10 even. I'm gonna come back and see what it looks like. While I was waiting, I just like noticed how much of a good application I just did. I mean, like, look at that. God, I can't get over that. That was after me trying to wash it off. Hello and welcome to the side of my bath. Okay, let's wash it off. Oh my god, 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 oh my god. I look great. Oh my god, okay, hang on, I need to fix myself. And here it is. And I kind of like it. I mean, it's gonna take me some getting used to, but I kind of like it. Here it is in the sun. Can you see that? Oh my god, I look so pale. But ooh, this is what it looks like. Ooh, kind of looks ginger, or like Danielle Bregoli. Love that. Oh my god. Okay, so that was it.